Ever wondered how squirrels adapt? High above, their majestic journey begins, as tiny acrobats form a precise V-shaped migration across diverse landscapes. Witness their unwavering teamwork amid wetlands, bustling parks, and quiet fields. Facing challenges, these clever creatures adjust daily routines to outsmart danger, protect their cherished nests, and nurture strong family bonds. Each honk, every agile leap, speaks to their resilience and remarkable adaptability. Their story is not just about survival, but about hope and unity in nature's grand tapestry. Discover the extraordinary intelligence and spirit of squirrels as they turn obstacles into opportunities. Embrace this journey of wonder and learn the secrets of nature's enduring architects. In the pulse of migration, each heartbeat honors life's struggle, weaving resilience and hope into nature's timeless balance and inspiring us all every day.